No?
Sino?
May gusto.
May gusto.
Piso lang
Piso lang.
ang tumpok.
Ipo.
Go pick it up. Or the other one pa, the small one. Give it to me. The small one pa. Oh, right there. Right here. Right here. This one. Oh. The small one. Yes. Okay. Go. Go get inside. You see the one on the top? That one. Good job. Oh, that's enough. Come on, let's go now. Oh, that's enough now. You have a lot. Galing talaga. Give it to me. Be careful, huh? Can you get it? I guess it's 2. How many you get? 1. Oh, go the other one. Dali. Get the other one pa. Yay! Good. Not this one. The yellow one.
Okay.
Up there, right here. Oh.
I got it.
See? There you go. Good job. Happy?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Ano ba yan?
Potato.
Tomato. Ay, yung isa. Ano yung isa?
Red.
Red tomato. Hindi, ito. Ano to? Ito. Ano to?
Watermelon.
Watermelon ba yan? Anong kulay watermelon?
Green.
Green. Eh, yung tomato. Yung tomato, anong kulay? What color is that?
Orange.
Green. Eh, yung isa.
Green.
Oh, yung isa pa.
Red.
Red. What do you... Ano gusto mo? Red o green?
Red.
Red. Is that... Masarap ba yan? Gano'ng kasarap? Gano'ng kasarap? Kakain ka ba niyan? Nasabihin mo, sino? May gusto.
Potato.
Punta po kayo dito.
Dito.
Piso lang
Piso lang.
ang tumpok.
Ipo.